Well, thank you very much for tuning in to another edition of our Philippine Edition Toy Review. This time, ang fini-feature ko ngayon si Turbo Trax. Hindi ko talaga alam bakit siya tinawag na Turbo Trax. Probably siguro sa mga sa trademark issue. Kasi way back in the 80s, alam ko Trax lang yung pangalan niya. But anyways, as for me, still the same. Okay pa rin naman. And by the way, na-score ko to sa eBay for about 300 pesos. Hindi ko alam kung magkano sa dollars yun eh. So practically, i-multiply nyo na lang siguro 45 times 300. So that will be the USD equivalent nun. Kung magkano ko nabili to. Magkano ko na-score. But anyways, yeah. For the car mode itself, it's very good. Pareho naman ng pareho ng mold with wheel jack, which was released 2011. Well, this one is the reveal the shield issue. You can see here the Autobot sign na nirarab lang natin. Okay? And I'm not sure if Lancia to or Corvette. So, hindi ako sure dun. Pero, car mode itself, okay, yeah, it's very good. And, ma-appeal pa rin naman sa akin yung color niya as blue. Some chrome parts here, yung headlight. Yung mag wheels. Okay. And, wala siyang spoiler. Pero, meron lang akong ipapakita sa inyo mamaya na medyo parang mahiwaga. But anyways, as for the transformation naman, madali lang naman siya. But anyways, just to give you a view here, actually, nagiging flying car kasi si Trax. Okay? In which, pwede mo pa rin naman gawin dito. Yan. Yan. So, ito yung yan. Other mode ni Trax. Although, medyo awkward siyang tignan. Pero, that's how it is. Now, para maging fully robot mode siya, you'll just have to open this part here. Yan. Tanggalin mo to. Ito yung actually yung weapon niya, yung barrel. Yan, tanggalin mo yan. Then, tanggalin mo to. So, ito na yung confusing part actually. Yan. Medyo, ganyan mo muna yung arms niya. Buksan mo to. Buksan mo tong part na to. Ilahin mo. In no particular order, tina-transform ko siya kasi actually na-acquire ko to. Wala na yung manual. Loose figure lang siya. Anyways, yan. So, medyo may kailangan kang i-adjust dito sa part na to. Yan. Oops. Yan. 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 Okay. So, ito, merong slot dito. Yan. In which ipapasok mo to. Hindi pala slot. Slots pala. Kasi plural. Dalawa sila. Anyways, ito na. Ito na yung medyo confusing part. Yan. Oops. Inikot ka lang. 360 degrees. Pero you don't have to do that necessarily. Okay. So, yan. Okay. So, yan. Be careful kasi ito natatanggal tong arms na to habang nag-ano siya. Habang tina-transform mo siya. And with this, you have to pull the legs. Pull the legs. Yun. Pull. Yan. And twist. Okay? Oh, madali lang. Madali lang siya i-transform kung tutusin. And, of course, these cannons, lagay mo dito. Yan. These ones. Well, practically okay siya. Maganda rin siya. Although, hindi naman ganun para sa akin as far as I know, hindi ganun ka bigat yung kanyang character sa Transformers cartoons. Pero, yeah. Still, part siya ng original lineup. 80s. Good reincarnation actually for Trax, which is right now, we call him as Turbo Trax. And one impressive part here is that, walang yung mga usual kankabo or let's say parang empty shells part in comparison nun sa mga 2007 or 2006 release ng Transformers, in which pagtingin mo sa harap ng robot, okay siya, pero pagka tinalikod mo merong butas yung part na to or something like that. So yeah, I just forgot, I was about to mention something about this spoiler part kasi actually parang meron kang pwedeng ikutin dito. Yan, ito. Pwede mo ikutin yan. See? I hope nakita nyo yan. Pero anyways, pagka nothing much has changed actually. Kapag well, ganun din. Wala din namang spoiler to. Pero I think parang slots yan eh. Para pwede mong lagyan ng siguro alternate. Gusto mong lagyan ng spoiler or what. So yeah, practically cool siya. And well articulated as well. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in to this toy review. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.